can one possibly fathom the idea that life, in its entirety, is but a circle? A wheel turning on the axis of time, where beginnings and ends blend into a seamless loop of existence. This concept, intriguing and profound, is the circularity of life. Imagine, if you will, a merry-go-round. As children, we jump on, delighted by the colorful horses and the cheerful music. The ride begins, and we move in a circular path, the same scenes repeating over and over. We start at one point, go round and round, and eventually return to the very same spot. This, in a nutshell, is the concept of life's circularity. The concept isn't a new one. In fact, it's as old as philosophy itself. Friedrich Nietzsche, the German philosopher, once spoke of the eternal recurrence, a theory that suggests existence is an infinite cycle. Energy and matter constantly transform, yet they remain in a constant loop. Buddhism too holds a similar view. It posits history as a circle, a chakra, with no distinct beginning, middle, or end. Life, death, and rebirth, it suggests, are part of an endless cycle. Everything and everyone is born, grows, and dies, only to be born again. This cycle, this circle, according to Nietzsche, is an eternal one. The universe, he believed, will continue to be born and reborn in an endless loop. So what does this mean for us? If life is a circle, then every ending is but a new beginning. Every death, a precursor to rebirth. Every failure, the start of a new journey. It means that there is no true end, only transitions. In conclusion, the circularity of life is a concept that suggests existence is an infinite loop. From the theories of Nietzsche to the teachings of Buddhism, the idea that life is a circle is both fascinating and thought-provoking. It challenges our perception of beginnings and ends, and offers a unique perspective on life, death, and rebirth. In the grand spectacle of existence, we are but riders on a merry-go-round, moving in circles, eternally returning to where we started. Every end is a new beginning, every death a rebirth, and every failure a stepping stone to success. This, dear listeners, is the circle of life.